Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to cancel replacement order on Amazon. So first of all, go ahead to your browser, and as you can see right here, if you want to cancel an exchange order on Amazon, go to your order, select the request cancellation option, and proceed further. The items will be returned to them for a refund if the payment is already made. Okay, so if you want to cancel a replacement order on Amazon, go to your request cancellation in the orders of your orders, and then proceed further. The item will be returned to the Amazon merchandise, and you will get a refund if the payment was made. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.